Let's talk about a simple but powerful drink that helps your liver burn fat. Your liver is your body's main detox organ. Everything you eat, every medication you take, even the toxins you breathe in, they all pass through the liver first. When it gets overloaded, bile production slows down, fats don't break down properly, and over time, fat can start to build up in the body. That's when this natural helper comes in. Ginger tea. Ginger contains active compounds like gingerol and shogal, which stimulate liver detox enzymes, boost bile production, and make it easier for your body to digest and metabolize fats. It also has strong anti-inflammatory effects that help reduce liver inflammation. And it's so easy to make. Just slice a few pieces of fresh ginger and steep them in hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can add a bit of lemon juice, a pinch of turmeric, and a teaspoon of honey for extra benefits. Lemon supports the liver's detox functions with vitamin C, and turmeric's curcumin acts as a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound. When your liver is working well, fat doesn't accumulate, digestion improves, and you feel more energetic and lighter throughout the day. If you've been feeling tired, bloated, or nauseous lately, don't rush to medication right away. Sometimes simple natural support and the right nutrition can help your body recover much faster. Take care of your liver, take care of your health, and stay healthy.